And yes, my friends, this is in a town. This is in a town, not in some place in Haiti somewhere. Kingston, St Vincent. This. A labas, a toilet. And people carry on business here, you know. This is what it is. See, somebody was have an open fire here perhaps sometime recently, and that's wood there. Look at this. This is what happens here in Little Tokyo, while the government is having budget. A fast, a total fast. This is a town. Yes, it's a beautiful town. Get the pictures from 1995 or 1992 when Tokyo was built, Little Tokyo. Look at this. A total disgrace. A big open toilet. This is.
Good morning.
Morning, sir. Mr. Providence. This is what it is. And I fed up. I am not doing this again, really and truly. This makes no sense. Look at this. People carry on business here. Yeah, this is a business. These are businesses. And that's a business they're trying to have a building. And they can't. Look at this. Well, here is a chicken restaurant right here. You know, right here. They're coming into the bus terminal. There's bigger bigs trying to do business, a decent business, employing people. Look in front, his business that goes on. And how much times I come down here now, it doesn't make sense. So I still think I'll do it this time again to see if they'll do something. But I little hope. Look at this. This in front, bigger big place where nobody could see that there's a Phoenix Chicken while he's employing maybe 20, 30 people. 40 in the fields and so. In the field and at his restaurant maybe about 15 to 20. There's it. Just a small review.